Hello everyone. Let's learn the different types of pronouns. First, some pronouns ask questions. For example, which is better? Here, which is the pronoun which is asking a question. Another example, who won the race? Here, who is the pronoun which is asking question. What is it? What? All these are the examples of interrogative pronouns. And the other examples are who, whom, whose, what, which. You can verify by answering the question. Which is better? Purple t-shirt is better. So instead of purple t-shirt, which is a noun, we have used which, and hence which is a pronoun. Who won the race? Jack won the race, where Jack is the noun. Instead of Jack, we use who won the race to ask the question, and hence who is the pronoun. Now, there are certain pronouns which point to specific things. For example, this is her toy. Here, this is pointing to her toy. Here, the pronoun those is used to point specific thing. Take these to your mom. Again, these is pointing to specific thing. Such pronouns which are used to point specific things are called demonstrative pronouns. And the examples are this, that, these, those. Now coming to the next one, some pronouns show possession. This bag is hers. Hers is the pronoun which is showing possession, that this bag belongs to her. Another example, her house is near but mine is far. Mine shows possession as we are talking about my house. The cat is theirs. Theirs shows the possession that the cat belongs to them. Hence, these are all examples of possessive pronouns. And the examples are mine, yours, hers, his, ours, theirs, its. Coming to the next one, some pronouns are used for emphasis only. For example, he himself drove the car. Another way to say this is he drove the car himself. In both of these sentences, the meaning is the same, that he drove the car. And you can see that the word himself can be dropped without changing the meaning of the sentence. Such pronouns are called intensive pronouns or emphatic pronouns. And the example are itself, herself, yourself, ourself, themselves. So always remember, intensive or emphatic pronouns are just for emphasis and they can be dropped from the sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. The next one, some pronouns refer back to persons or things. For example, the cat hurt itself. Here, if you see, the word itself is pointing to cat, which is the subject. So, the subject is cat and the object is cat only. Thus, we see the subject and the object of the verb are same in this sentence. Coming to the next one, he cleaned himself. He did not clean others, he cleaned himself. So, here subject and object are the same person, he. Next, she introduced herself. Again, the subject and the object are the same person, she. All these examples are the example of reflexive pronouns. And the important thing to remember here is you cannot drop these reflexive pronouns. If you drop them, the sentence meaning would not be the same, or you may say that some information may go missing. For example, let's drop itself in the first sentence. What do we get? The cat hurt. Now in this case, we have lost the information whom did the cat hurt, and hence this is an example of reflexive pronoun. So we can say that reflexive pronouns are the pronouns which refer back to person or things. Some examples are itself, herself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, etc. Now, some pronouns are used as subject and object in the sentence. For example, I saw him. Now here, I is the subject and him is the object. In case you forgot, subject is the person or the doer who does the action, and object is the person on whom the action is being done. Hence, I is the subject and him is the object. These are the examples of personal pronoun. Another example, they saved it. Here, they is the subject personal pronoun and it is the object personal pronoun. So as subject, we can have I, we, you, she, he, they, it. And as an object, we can have me, us, you, her, him, them, it, which are the examples of personal pronouns. Now, lastly coming to relative pronoun. What are relative pronouns? A relative pronoun introduces a dependent clause and connects it to an independent clause. For example, I met the boy whose dog went missing. Here, whose is the relative pronoun and it is referring to the previously mentioned noun, which is boy. So if you see, relative pronouns in simple words refer to the noun mentioned previously. He met his cousin who lives in Delhi. Now here, who is the relative pronoun and who refers to his cousin, which is mentioned previously in the sentence. Another example, I found the dog which was missing since yesterday near my house. Now in this case, if we talk about the clauses, then I found the dog near my house is the independent clause. Which was missing since yesterday is the dependent clause, as it cannot stand alone on its own as a complete sentence. And which is the relative pronoun which is connecting both the clauses. So these are the examples of relative pronoun: who, whom, whose, which, that, etc. So now you know the 7 types of pronouns. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.